In this video, I'll show you how to add the cost of goods field under product details in WooCommerce. As you can see in this example, here's a simple product on my site, and the cost of goods field is displayed under the General tab inside the product data section. However, if you notice that this field is missing, in this video, I'll show you how to re-enable it from the advanced feature settings. So at first, make sure to be logged into your WordPress admin account, and then hover on WooCommerce, then select Settings. Once the settings page loads, at the very top, click on the Advanced tab, and then select Features. On this page, scroll all the way to the bottom and look for this option, Cost of Goods Sold. Make sure to set the checkmark right here, and then save the changes. Now let's go to Products. Let's hover on one of the products and then select Edit. And now scroll down until you find the product data section. Under General tab, that's where you find the cost of goods field. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.